Let's take a look at the difference between a busy mind and a clear, calm mind. So you might have heard of the term samsara. It's a Sanskrit word that means wandering or aimless drifting. So this is the world we normally find ourselves in, the world of problems, pain and challenges, moving from one state of suffering to another. This is called changeable suffering. So we experience changing and suffering through our desires, our pleasures, the happiness we seek, the feelings, the experiences we chase after. These all are fleeting moments, they don't stay. Our mind continues to chase after these experiences again and again. But unfortunately, we don't reach any satisfaction. We only experience extremes rising and falling like a wave, feeling the highs, then the lows, feeling exhilarated and on top of the world, like we have reached the mountain peak, then dropping deep down into the valley where we feel despair and sorrow. And this is how we live our life. But what if there's another way? What if by training our mind, we can free ourselves from this constant up and down, this deluded mind that keeps us chasing after things? What if we discovered emptiness and freedom, a place of tranquil abiding? This is a clear and calm state of mind that is like a cloudless blue sky without distractions, just pure awareness, balance and calmness. We experience suffering because our mind tends to flow into anger. It plots, desires, manipulates. It creates waves of negative emotions and thoughts and hops around from one thing to another, never staying still. Tibetan Buddhists call this mind Sem. This is rather like a candle flame in a doorway where the wind can blow in and blow that candle out very easily. Wouldn't we rather be in a steadier state of mind? We would rather find that blue sky state of mind, but we get caught in the clouds. So Sem is the clouds that are floating into our mind. They distract us and seem so dark and strong sometimes. We don't even see the blue sky behind. But with practice, we can certainly start to work towards spending more time looking at that clear blue sky of mind. The Tibetan term Rigpa is a term that expresses this clear blue sky of mind, this very nature of our mind, its true essence, which is clear and untouched by change. This clear blue sky of mind is hidden by the distractions, the problems, the worries. But behind that constant moving of thoughts and emotions, it's right there. We just need the help of some guidance to blow away those clouds, to reveal the sun and the wide open sky right behind. With the right inspiration, we can uncover wonderful glimpses of this beautiful nature of mind, this nature of Rigpa, pure, pristine awareness that is radiant and always awake. With Rigpa, it is a candle flame that cannot be blown out. It is calm, steady and bright. Well, we should realize that this is the true nature of all things, to be steady, calm and bright. This is the true nature, or Buddha nature, or clear, bright, tranquil state of mind we find right behind those clouds in the blue sky. We can come to the clear and calm place of tranquil abiding, where nothing troubles us, where there is just pure awareness, emptiness and potential for beautiful, wonderful things. This is a place we can come to where we no longer feel troubled by the constant changes and experience of life. We can enjoy pleasures and desires without holding on to them. We can move through the changeable suffering into a more contented and happier place. We can see the world through different eyes, through a different way of thinking. And in this way, we can escape samsara. We can be free.